Are you struggling to calculate a weighted cumulative sum in your Pandas data frame? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you exactly how to do it. I totally get it. Working with data can be tricky, especially when you want to perform specific calculations like a weighted cumulative sum. It can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we will simplify it together. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to calculate the weighted cumulative sum of column B grouped by column A in their data frame. They provided an example data frame and a formula they want to apply. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So what does it mean to calculate a weighted cumulative sum? Essentially, it involves taking the current value, applying a weight, and adding it to the previous cumulative sum. This can help you analyze trends in your data more effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your data analysis even smoother. To calculate the weighted cumulative sum, the user should first import the necessary libraries. Specifically, they need to import Pandas, which is essential for data manipulation. Next, the user should create a data frame using the provided data. This will allow them to work with the data in a structured format. Now the user can define a function to calculate the weighted cumulative sum. This function will apply the formula provided, which combines the current value with the previous cumulative sum. After defining the function, the user should apply it to the data frame. They can use the GroupBy method to group by column A and then apply the weighted cumulative sum function to column B. Finally, the user can display the updated data frame to see the results of the weighted cumulative sum calculation. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas is named after the term panel data? It's a powerful tool for data manipulation and analysis. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using the exponentially weighted moving average within a GroupBy operation. They recommend applying the EWM function to calculate the weighted cumulative sum of column B, grouped by column A. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always visualize your data after performing calculations. It helps you catch any mistakes and understand your results better. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated a weighted cumulative sum in Pandas. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more data tips and tricks.